In this video, I'll guide you through how to add the Microsoft To Do widget to your desktop so you can keep your tasks visible and easy to manage without opening the full app every time. We'll go from opening the widgets board to adding the widget and finally placing it right on your desktop wallpaper. Follow along on your own PC as I describe each step. First, you'll need to open the widgets board in Windows. To do that, press the Windows key and the W key on your keyboard at the same time. You should see the widgets board slide in from the left or pop up on your screen. If nothing happens, make sure you're running a recent version of Windows 11 and that widgets are enabled in your taskbar settings. Assuming the board opens, you'll see a collection of small panels showing things like weather, news, and other information. Near the top of this widgets board, look for a plus sign. This is the button you use to add new widgets. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you click it, a catalog or list of available widgets will appear. This is where Windows shows you all the different mini apps you can pin to your widgets board. In this list, you want to find the Microsoft To Do widget. If you see a search box, you can simply type To Do or Microsoft To Do to make it show up faster. If there's no search box, just scroll down through the list until you find Microsoft To Do. When you see it, click it once to add it. Windows will then place the Microsoft To Do widget onto your widgets board automatically. After it appears, take a moment to confirm it's working. You should see your tasks or an option to sign in, depending on whether you've used Microsoft To Do on that device before. Now, look at the top right corner of the Microsoft To Do widget itself. There should be a small pin icon, often shaped like a thumbtack. This pin controls whether the widget stays on your board. Click the pin icon to pin the Microsoft To Do widget. When it's pinned, it tells Windows that you want this widget to remain available and not disappear when you close or refresh the widgets board. This step is important because it makes sure the widget is ready to be moved onto your desktop. Once it's pinned, you can now drag the Microsoft To Do widget out of the widgets board and place it directly on your desktop wallpaper. Move your mouse pointer to the top area of the widget, click and hold, and then drag it away from the board. As you pull it out, you should see the widget detach and follow your cursor. Keep holding the mouse button and move it over to the part of your desktop where you want it to live. When you've found the perfect spot, release the mouse button to drop the widget there. You can always click and drag it again later if you want to reposition it, so don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. Now, your Microsoft To Do list is sitting right on your desktop, ready for quick glances throughout the day.